Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite juices that is antioxidant packed. It is a beet vegetable juice recipe that your family is going to absolutely love. This recipe is so good for liver detoxification, clearing out your skin, and reducing inflammation. In fact, there are so many benefits to this juice. And one good thing about this juice is that it will not spike your blood sugar because it is not packed full of super sweet fruits. So I think this is a friendly juice that a lot of people is going to like. And if you're interested in learning how to make this juice, I want you to follow me on this journey. Just sit tight and relax and watch me. We're going to be using 4 apples. I'm using a mixture of apples, both the red one and the Granny Smith apple, which is the green one, 2 lemons. I'm using cucumber, parsley, and of course, beets. The first thing we're going to do is to put a baking soda in a bowl of water and immerse our fruits in it. Why I wash my fruits with baking soda is because it helps remove the pesticides that are on the skin of these fruits. If you've not been using baking soda to wash your fruits, I'll highly recommend you start today. Always wash your fruits with baking soda before you eat them or you juice or use them in your smoothies. Sometimes I've tried using vinegar, but I notice it makes the fruits quite soggy and makes it not last as long as it should in the fridge. I don't know, what do you use to wash your fruits? Do you use baking soda or do you use something else? Let me know in the comment section so that I can also learn and try it out and see if it will work for me. So while I'm washing those fruits and prepping them for the juicing, let's talk about the benefits of each of these ingredients that we're using today. The I'm going to start with beets. Beets is the star of this juice. These beauties are loaded with antioxidants and they are amazing for reducing inflammation and detoxing your system. I'll be honest though, the earthy flavor of beets is not always my fave. But when you choose them and add in a sweet apple or a pineapple, trust me, it balances everything out perfectly. You can use green or red apples or even swap it with a whole pineapple if you want a tropical twist. Next, I'll be talking about lemons. Lemons are bright and are good to add a fresh kick. Not only does it add vitamin C and help with detoxification, it also keeps the apples from turning brown. Like if you cut up your apples and you're not ready to use them, you can sprinkle your lemon on it to keep the color from turning brown. And you all, ginger is my favorite one here, and that's because we go way back. I can chew ginger, I can put it in any smoothie or juice that I am making because it is super anti-inflammatory and it gives the juice a little bit of spice. If you're not into too much heat, you can just put a little, but I'm adding 2 times of ginger because I love spice. The next is cucumbers. Cucumbers are really good. I add them as a base for my juices because they are super refreshing and they are low in sugar. I'm using one big cucumber today and it's seedless and ready to go. They are going to add that light hydrating touch we need. Then, of course, the secret ingredient in this juice is parsley. Don't sleep on parsley in your juices. It is fantastic for detoxing and reducing heavy metals in your body. Plus, it is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, and contains cancer-fighting substances. And guess what? It is also very good for your eyes. Right here, I'm cutting my cucumber in chunks because I'll be juicing them. If you don't have a juicer, you can still juice. You can still make juices. All you do is cut the fruits and the veggies into smaller bits, and you have to peel the skin if you don't want a lot of fiber in your juice. that you peel the skin and cut them into small chunks. Then you put them in your blender, blend them thoroughly till it's very smooth. Then you can sieve it. If you have a cheese curd, you can use a cheese curd. If you don't, you can use a sieve. I use a sieve sometimes, and for milk I use a cheese curd. Okay, so let's go ahead with our preparation for our juice. Now let's talk about the juice that I'll be using today. I'll be using the Mama J2 cold press juicer, and it is by far the best juicer I've used. I've used a lot of juicers in the past, but they've either frustrated me by maybe taking so long to clean them up, to assemble or to disassemble or to clean them up. But the good thing about this one and why I love this one so much is that it is very easy to set up and very easy to wash. The most interesting part of this juicer for me is the fact that the pulp is surprisingly very dry. The other juicer I was using, the pulp is always mixed with the juice and it's not dry. I feel like I waste a lot of my fruits. That was why I stopped using it and bought this juicer. And since I bought it, I don't have any regrets so far. It's been working really good for me. It maximizes my juice. My juices are very, very good. They last 4 to 5 days, sometimes even 6 days in the fridge. And if you don't want to put them in the fridge after juicing, you can also put them in the freezer. Okay, and again, you can load the juicer and walk away, do other things while it does its thing. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that amazing? Really? Yes, I know that it's quite pricey, but if you know the benefits that you're going to get from it, you wouldn't even think about the cost. On the long run, it will be better that you used your money to buy something that is really good because you will enjoy it, not the one that you buy and you're frustrated or you're not happy, or it because when you think about how long it will take you to wash the juicer, you just forget about juicing. That's not what we want. So back to our juicing. I've just loaded the fruits, the first batch of the fruits, and this is the second batch. You can juice your veggies, whatever it is you want to put in the juicer, as long as it is not hard like a stone. This juicer is going to do justice to it, and that is why I love this juicer. The J2 juicer is just simply amazing. taste our juice. See how brightly colored it is? This is how it helps flush out toxins from your body and also helps with anemia. If you're having low blood, this is for you. Let's taste it now and see. I'll give this 9 over 10. The ginger is really doing a job, and I can also taste the lemon. Wow, this is so good. I'd really like you to try this, and if you'll be doing that, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this, and please tag me when you try it so that I can see what yours looks like. Remember, you can use key lime if you don't have lemon wherever you are. You can also add honey to yours if you like it sweet, but I'm okay with it like this, so I'm just gonna have mine like this. Usually I take this with my lunch. You can have it at any time you want in the day. It's perfectly fine. So if you found value in this video today, kindly give me a thumbs up, share to your friends, and also subscribe to this channel so that you can see more and more juices and smoothies that I'll be bringing your way. Till I come your way next time, I just hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.